Hello! I am going to roll down the hill. That's right. This hill right here. It's a little dark. Can you see a hill? You see there's little trees up there. Maybe in the light. You know what? I will shine a light maybe from my cell phone to see if you can see it better, okay? 1 second. Let's see if I find it. Aha! Is that helpful? Maybe not. There you go. I shine a light. Okay, so that is where I'm going to roll down. Yes, it is almost midnight. I'm very tired from rehearsal. And it is going to be a spectacular adventure to roll down the hill. Come with me. No, come with me. Come with me. Okay. Up the hill we go. Ooh, it's a little steep. Ooh. Okay, I see the top of the hill. And you can see down there is the bottom of the hill. And we're going to do a... Okay, here we go. Good luck. I've got my cell phone with me too because I don't want to put it down. Oh no, someone's coming now. We have to wait. Shh. I hope he doesn't steal my bag down there. No, I think the train came, so lots of people come. Oh man, he didn't notice me. He walked past. Okay, quickly, go, go. And go.